Can my dog get COVID-19? Given the spread of the coronavirus and the subsequent variants, people are worried not only about their own health, but also the health of their dogs. In this Gen X Pets video, we will discuss some popular safety concerns dog owners may have as it relates to the current global pandemic. Let us begin with the first question. Can my dog get COVID-19? A small number of pets worldwide, including cats and dogs, have been reported to be infected with a virus that causes COVID-19, mostly after close contact with people with COVID-19. Based on the information available to date, the risk of animals spreading COVID-19 to people is considered to be low. But then, how can I protect my dog from COVID-19? To protect your dog from the COVID-19 virus, do not let your dog interact with people or animals outside your household. For example, avoid dog parks or public places where many people and dogs gather when walking your dog. Make sure your dog wears a leash and keep your dog at least 6 feet, 2 meters, from other people and animals. But you may ask, what if I get sick with COVID-19 and I have a dog? If you become sick with COVID-19 and have a pet, isolate yourself from everyone else, including your pet. If possible, have another person in your household care for your pet. Avoid petting, snuggling, being kissed or licked, and sharing food or bedding with your pet. If you care for your pet or are around animals while you're sick, wear a cloth face covering. Wash your hands before and after handling animals and their food, waste, and supplies. Also, make sure you clean up after your pet. If you have COVID-19 and your pet becomes sick, don't take your pet to the veterinarian yourself. Instead, contact the veterinarian. He or she might offer advice through a virtual visit or make another plan for treating your pet. Testing is only recommended for pets that have symptoms and have been exposed to a person with COVID-19. But, what do I do if my dog is confirmed to be COVID-19 positive? If your pet tests positive for the virus that causes COVID-19, follow the same precautions you would if a family member became infected. Aim to isolate your pet in a separate room away from the rest of your family and have your pet stay at home. Wear gloves when you interact with your pet or its food, dishes, waste or bedding. Wash your hands after touching any of your pet's items. Don't put a face covering on your pet, and don't wipe your pet with disinfectants, which can be harmful. If your pet develops new symptoms or seems to be getting worse, call the veterinarian. Finally, is my dog in danger of dying if they contract COVID-19? If your pet becomes ill, there's reason to be hopeful. Of the small number of dogs and cats confirmed to have the virus that causes COVID-19, some didn't show any signs of illness. The pets that did become ill only experienced mild symptoms and could be cared for at home. None of them died. So, what have we discussed today? We have discussed if your dog can get COVID-19, what to do in the event that they contract it, and the preventative measures you can take to avoid it altogether. If you have questions or concerns about your dog's health and how it can be affected by COVID-19, contact your veterinarian. We wish for you and your dog's good health as you continue your efforts to keep safe. Let us know in the comments if your dog has contracted the virus and how you dealt with it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you will join us next time for another exciting video in the world of pets.